The dream you have in your heart was put there for a reason. It was sown into you as part of your life's journey. It's not a joke. It's not some vision that you might have. It was put there because it's possible.
This thing called life, some people call it a marathon. I say it's a process. And I say one of the best ways to go through life is to have a spirit of optimism and to be open to the possibilities. And when you approach life in that spirit, it gives you power, creativity, and gratitude to make the journey.
Anything you want good, you can have. So claim it. Work hard to get it. When you get it, reach back. Pull someone else up. Each one, teach one.
You can do what you want. You can change your life. Right now, you don't have to go into work tomorrow. You can just drive off and move somewhere. You don't have to hang out with the people you hate. You can do what you want. You're free. The limitations are in your mind.
But like I always say, life is 10% what happens to you, is 90% what you do about it.
And it's not how much you have. It's what you do with what you have. We all have different talents. Some of you will be doctors, some lawyers, some scientists, some educators, some nurses. The most selfish thing you can do in this world is help someone else. Why is it selfish? Because the gratification, the goodness that comes to you, the good feeling that I get from helping others, nothing's better than that. Nothing's better than that. Not jewelry, not big house I have, not the cars, but it's the joy. That's where the joy is, in helping others. That's where the success is, in helping others.
One of the things that we have to always keep in mind, that we have the power to determine what we're going to let into our experience. And many people allow themselves to buy into the negativity of the world. Today, if you don't program your mind, you will be programmed. So you've got to make a conscious, deliberate, determined effort to set aside time every day, for at least an hour. That's what I do. I listen to something motivational first thing in the morning. And the reason I do that, whatever you listen to the first 30 minutes when you wake up, it will control the spirit of your day. I review my goals, I do my meditations, my chanting, all of the things that will get me grounded and rooted and prepare for the day. And I have a quote that I always say to myself, Lord, whatever I face today, together, you and I can handle it.
I pray that you put your slippers way under the bed tonight, so that when you wake up in the morning, you have to get on your knees to reach them. While you're down there, say thank you for grace. Thank you for mercy. Thank you for understanding. Thank you for wisdom. Thank you for parents. Thank you for love. Thank you for kindness. Thank you for humility. Thank you for peace. Thank you for prosperity. Say thank you in advance for what's already yours.
Get up every day and say, today I will be in the right place. I will talk to the right people. I will make the right thing happen in my life. I'm here to tell you, if you're big enough for your dreams aren't big enough for you.
That means you have superhuman power to completely change your life at any moment you decide. Once and for all. Forget about your past. None of that means anything. The only thing that counts is what you do going forward. The only thing that counts is how you live the rest of your life.
You have the ability to live every hope and dream that this life has ever helped you to focus. You have the ability to do that.
Don't just aspire to make a living. Aspire to make a difference.
Reinvent yourself every day. Look at ways to get better, improve.
Chase that dream. It's in your heart. It's in your soul for a reason. It was wired there to give you strength, to give you purpose, to give you direction.
That's why you're here. You are creative genius. You are creator. You are creator of your experience.